Right in here, I'm going to check the status on the... Oh, nice. So they took off all the masking paper. As you can see, it's all on the floor. We got to come clean this up tomorrow. But all the graphics have been painted. Minor touch-ups have to be done tomorrow. Like, for example, there's a little bit of overspray there. That can come off with some lacquer thinner. Same thing here. That will come off. That's the good thing about the base coat being sealed, because you can clean things and you don't have to worry about damaging the base coat because the base coat is already sealed. It's refinished, it's single stage. So you can always go back and correct your work after revisions. For example here, minor little details here and there. Pretty much overall a good job. The whole coach has been repainted completely. The original design has been kept. The only thing that the customer changed was the color scheme. That darker red and that yellow. He has two Jeeps, one Jeep with that color and another Jeep with that color. So he wanted to integrate the Jeep colors with his RV. That way when he's towing a vehicle, it matches. But there it is, the 2016 Thor Ace. Tomorrow we're going to be shooting the clear coat, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to upload a video of our painter clear coating it. It's going to look great once it's done.